Hi YouTube family, just here doing a quick really quick update on my plants. So we've had a crazy heat wave where I live in Southern California. We've gotten a couple of days or 105 degrees, so I had to put shade on my plants. I mean, whatever I could find, and I had these tarps, so that's what I used. As you can see, these ones, these buds they're pretty much aborting. That's what happens. See, they look all yellow. This ones here, they seem to be doing pretty good. I hope so. I mean, I hope they make it. I don't know. This one, I don't know. I think it's also aborting. But that's what happens when it's so hot. But the growth is it's looking good. From there, my voodoo child, it's growing pretty good. This side, we have a purple haze. All over. And my Laverne, the one that I thought it was pretty much dying. It's like it has some crazy growth. That's pretty good. On this side, my David Boy, it's just taking off. Look at all that growth, new growth. Boom, boom. That little one, I think it got a little damage from the sun. So that's what happens. Just cover the top. So I did a quick fix. Because I didn't want my plants, all of them, to just die out. One that's the Halley's Comet is just looking pretty depressed. No meat whatsoever. I mean, it's still growing. Look at that. Remember when they were little? They were like that little. Now, trellis. But yeah, so this is what happens when you have a few days over 105 degrees. Yeah, but I really hope that this two butts right here, they make it. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Alrighty? Alright, stay cool.